The challenge was that I was basically a level 0 data scientist. I had heard about it and I knew some of the things that I would need, but I was level 0. And there were nowhere near the number of learning resources that there are now. Because remember, I'm talking a while back now. I've been a data scientist for a while. So I had to be honest with myself. I had to be honest with myself in terms of my skills, in terms of my resume. I had a great resume for a senior developer. I can program anything that you need me to, but it wasn't a data scientist resume. And I also didn't quite have the skills. I had a couple of not statistic courses, but statistics sections of courses in some of my undergraduate studies. But I really had to, get more study. So that's when I decided to go back to school for my graduate studies. Again, this is a while back, so I had to study applied statistics. Data science programs really weren't a thing back then like they are now. So my chosen course of study was applied statistics. I went to a very good school, one of the top statistics programs in the country, and arguably the world. And I started taking some of those courses. I started learning about applied statistics, about regression, about SAS, about R, about probabilities, about modeling. All of these things kind of came into play for me, where I started learning and I started building, like an academic foundation. Because if I was going to make this switch to mastery, then I had to respect the time, the kind of like, the requirements of entry, right? The admission price to becoming a data scientist. And I had to put in the work. I had to be honest with myself and say, hey, this profession is calling to you, but you're not fully ready yet. So I enjoyed that process of building up my skills.